Traversing a list. Traversing means accessing or visiting the elements of a list. Various ways to traverse a list are indexing, negative indexing, and slicing. Indexing. The index of elements of a list starts from 0, which means if a list contains 10 elements, then its index, it is always an integer number, is from 0 to 9. To access the list elements, the indexing operator or subscript operator is used. If we want to find the elements in the list using the index value, then follow the program as given below. On running the above program, you will get the following output. Negative indexing. Negative indexing means the index of -1 refers to the last elements of the list. The index of -2 refers to the second last element. To traverse a list by using negative indexing, follow the program as given below. On running the above program, you will get the following output. Traversing nested lists. Nested list can be traversed by using the index operator. To create two nested lists, follow the program as given below. On running the above program, you will get the following output.